All right, dude. I did something I never do. I went with another brand of Swiffer PowerMop disposable refills. I've always assumed I needed to go with Swiffer to get quality stuff. Dude, these are really nice and they're just as good, if not potentially even better. You can see, I got the brown ones here, but like I've gotten the purple ones too. And they're both like, you can see why they're just going to clean so well. But it's super absorbent, kind of a thick pad. But I'm just so glad I found these because, like, dude, when you're buying, like, I love having the Swiffer, but when you're buying the brands refills time after time, and literally the reason there's so much is just because it's from the brand, and you just assume. Well, Amazon makes it easy. I was doing product research looking for refills the other day, and when I came across these, I was like, wait, there's hundreds of people, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people buying these every month, and they're giving tons of 4.5 and 5 star reviews. Like, why would I keep spending more money on something where this is as good or better? So that's why I did it.